Yeah. Creo que eso es San Joaquin. Yep, San Joaquin. That's train 718 going to Bakersfield. We're making stops in from Oakland, Jacqueline Square. Ooh, 2009. Nice. I might see him in my hometown of Oakland, folks. I'm heading home. Yep, this train will making stops from Oakland, Jacqueline Square to Emerville, Richmond, Martinez, Antioch, Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Lanier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco, and the final destination of Bakersfield. Yep. Also, continue to Southern California and downtown LA's Union Station for the bus service. That's it.